Okay, making this real quick video to help students figure out how to make sure they get the SparkFun SIK examples into their Arduino IDE. First thing I'll note is this is a remote session into a server, a Windows server from a Linux desktop, so sometimes the wording looks a little funny because of the remote connection. All right, so Arduino. So Arduino, what we're trying to do today is in the examples here, I want the SIK code to show up here so that they can work through the Inventors kit example. So you can see from this that in the basic installation, the SIK code does not exist. All right. So what we're going to do, the first thing we're going to do is go out to SparkFun. So sparkfun.com. And in the search bar, Inventors, and we want to get to this Inventors Kit version 4.0. Okay, so from the Inventors Kit product page, we're going to slide down to this experiment guide here. This is the online documentation for the kit, and we are most interested in the install the Arduino IDE and SIK code. So this chapter here. If you need to install Arduino, you can download it here and install it. That should give you the latest version for your operating system. If you need the code, which is what we're trying to install, you're going to click here. Okay, I'll show you that I've already done that right down here. Here's the Arduino. I installed that earlier this morning. And here's the code, the file. Okay, so once the file is done, this code file, we're going to click on the up arrow here, and we are going to show in a folder. And you can see here's my code. It's in a zipped format. I need this to be unzipped in order to use it, so we're going to extract that file. All right, so close that, and we can see now that I have it's been extracted into my downloads folder. Here's the main folder, and then all of the components. All right. Good enough. So let's close. Let's minimize that, and we can minimize this. So, right. So a minute ago we went into Arduino, right, and we saw that it does not have file examples. It does not have that code in it. Okay. Now what we need to do is in File Manager. What I want to do is on my local disk, let's expand my local disk, expand the program files x86 because Arduino is a 32-bit app. Expand Arduino, and here's the examples. So if we open up examples, we can see all of those things that we saw earlier are there. Okay, what we need is this folder, this expanded folder, into examples. What I don't want to do though is I opened it up, so let me show you what it did. So go back to downloads. I'm gonna double click on this to open up to get to this folder that's embedded inside of that. And then if I open that, here's all of those circuits. Okay, so I'm gonna stay here, and what I want to do is I just simply want to copy that folder into the examples folder on the Arduino, in the Arduino folder. Okay, so under Arduino examples, and now you can see the SIK guide code master folder. Okay, all right, close that down. Now I just open up Arduino again, and now when I go to files, examples, I have my code master, and then like say I'm working on the trumpet, click on the trumpet, and here's all my code. All right, so hopefully that helps. If not, obviously send me an email and we will troubleshoot whatever's not working.